Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have the exact replacement cylinder and basic tools. This avoids backtracking. First, lock the door to stabilize the mechanism, then remove interior trim screws and pry out clips. Work gently to avoid cracking panels. Once panel loose, reach behind and disconnect linkage pins with pliers, noting orientations. Place screws and clips into a container so you don't lose them. Make sure to spray a little lubricant on visible parts. This eases removal and shows worn components. With the trim removed, you'll access the cylinder retaining nut or clip from the interior. Loosen it but don't drop fasteners. Pull the old cylinder out from the exterior. Inspect the tailpiece and cam for bent or worn parts. Replacing them prevents future failure. Align the new cylinder so the tailpiece engages the cam in the neutral position. Push it fully into the door and seat it. Once aligned, hand tighten the nut or snap the clip in place, ensuring smooth rotation before final torque. You finish by reconnecting the linkage pins and testing the lock repeatedly. Use the key, interior thumb turn, and door handle to confirm consistent movement. Once satisfied, reinstall the interior trim, snugging screws to hand tight plus a small quarter turn to avoid striping plastic. Make sure seals and weather strips sit properly. If something binds, don't force it. Loosen the retaining nut, slightly rotate the cylinder tailpiece to correct engagement, and retest until the mechanism moves freely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.